Caribbean Carnival. This is where we celebrate life, freedom, and where we get down with the foolishness.
Eh? You want to bust a wine pan somebody quick and fast? See it?
Come on, pan him sauce.
Oh my God, of course, sure.
No, my woman right there say, you know.
I can even whine.
My woman right there say, you know.
I'm very bad at whining, so it's okay. It doesn't even count.
Oh, you mean it, don't subscribe yet. Oh, you mean it, don't turn on the notification bell. Oh, you mean it, don't like, share, and comment. Oh, you mean it, don't tell a friend about Yaadman, Etan.
Yo, people that don't know, say Yaadman Etan, I'm out in the streets for Jamaica Carnival 2023. So look, you know, I am unaffiliated with any band today. Alright, so I'm just out here, I'm gonna run in anywhere, every place. If you see me show any kind of bands from Yaadman, even though Yaadman sounds nice to my name, Yaadman and Yaadman. Yaadman, if you now watch this, remember this for next year, you know. Just I say, in case any band decide to poach me. Point is, we're out here. I want to run in, have fun with everybody we can have. You see me I say? And we're out here in Jamaica, we're going to interview the people and we're going to ask them one simple question. Because a whole heap of people from the United States, from other countries who don't understand Caribbean culture might look at this and say, oh my gosh, look at all of this debauchery. I might think that we are uncivilized people. I might think that whining on somebody else at Carnival might be cheating, but that is what we're going to find out today to get the perspective of the revelers on the streets today. So say we out here, Jamaica Carnival 2023, on Carnival Sunday. Ah, mad. It's the time of a start up with the alright? Come through, see where you are. So, what go on? What's your name, my friend? I'm nervous. That's some upstanding men in society.
Right.
You understand me? I say. So you come out at Carnival.
Yeah.
You see me? On a day with a woman.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
She wanna get wine today?
That's up to her still.
That's up to her. Okay. So about you, Mama G? Where your woman there?
Should they work?
Today at work. Okay. Right now. So what you say? You got wine up on the people, them woman?
Yeah, right now.
Right. All right. So we're out here, Jamaica Carnival 2023. You come here with your man?
No.
No. Oh.
No, yes, yeah, we good.
Oh.
Yes, mood none. Yes, mood man.
Is it that's the great question. So you come here with your man?
No.
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 That means you have man.
No.
No.
Yes.
All right. Okay. All right. So he's not here. You're here with your friends.
Yes.
So how you doing, my dear?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Straight. So you came all the way from Australia to Jamaica for this?
100%, of course. Why wouldn't I?
Yo, people, we're not an excuse, you know.
Yeah.
But I put travel for come at Jamaica Carnival, you know.
Yeah, it's like a 23-hour flight, including layovers and everything. So it's so worth it. But yeah.
Big up yourself.
Thank you.
All right. So my question to you is,
Yeah.
right? You come here with your man?
No, I'm single.
Single.
Yeah, 100%.
So my question to you, my friend, you come out of Carnival, is it me I say? So you know how some people up a foreign might have certain perception of a Caribbean Carnival and something there. We need to answer one simple question for me. If you come out here and you have your man and you wind up other people, is that cheating? You give bun?
Oh, no. No.
Hold on there, it's not bun.
It's not fun, it's just having fun.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what you say?
Just fun.
Just fun.
Just fun.
And it's nothing deeper than the wine.
Not deeper than, well, you know, if the liquor get involved, then that's a different.
My man
Yeah.
can't wine for the next girl.
Can't wine for the next year.
And me,
Yeah.
now wine for the next man
Yeah.
when my man is here.
When he is there. When he is there. See it there. So hold on there. So what you say, miss? What you say?
You have to wine for people, man.
If you wine for people, man.
Yes. What that them is here for?
So even if your man is here and standing right up beside
That's
you.
him problem.
That's him problem.
That's him problem. Come here, wine for the next man.
So hold on there. What you say? Hold on there. So what you say?
Yeah. Wine for
people man.
Wine pan people man.
Take people man too.
So even take people man too. So what my friend, we're there at Jamaica Carnival right now.
Indeed.
All right,
indeed.
I actually have 2 questions for you.
Sure.
Specifically. One, you can vote for me for fan favorite for Social House.
Of course, more you win the million. Because
Alright.
we have to go talk about our 10%. Yeah?
Me never said that.
Yeah.
All right. So look here, we're there at Jamaica Carnival right now. You see me? So you know how people are foreign sometimes who don't understand Caribbean culture. I gotta look power and say how we express ourselves. So my question to you is it cheating for wine up on another man at Carnival?
It depends on the relationship between you and your man and you and your woman. If you're going to do that, I think it's best to have an open communication. So you're going to wind up on the next man.
Okay.
Don't do it behind the person's back.
Yeah.
And don't do it in front of them.
Okay.
Simple.
All right.
So if you're going to do it, talk to your man, talk to your woman.
All right. You know what?
Communicate.
That's the most sensible question me get from the more sensible answer. Sorry, the Roma kicked me.
Of course. I'm under the year, so I do a dance for other man that's my friends.
Oh, so you go wind up on your friend then?
Of course.
Sure.
It depends, it's based on you and your partner when the boundaries there. If one not a girl went for my man.
Okay. So if a next woman wind up on your man, that's a problem.
That's a problem. So me can't wine for another man.
You know what? Big up yourself because everybody can, have them kind of meds there. Alright, so my boss, we're out here. What's your name, boss? We see you jerk up the chicken and beer things.
Well, my name Damon, no. The girl them call me Chicken Boss.
So how much you sell the chicken for?
1,200.
1,200. So we're out here so I get carnival content and beer things. So I say appeal to the people that will need some food for the road.
I get active.
Active and beer things. So tell me something. Mr. Say you out here trying to make money. You bring your woman out here?
No.
Okay. So I have one question for you. So if you out there to catch a wine from the people them on the road, a bunny I give them, are you cheating your woman if you wine a one woman on the road?
No, we have work,
You work.
We have a focus on the work.
So work, and a chicken you a jerk.
Work and chicken we are jerk.
Right.
First of all, may I be honest with them, I feel like everybody's there for vibe.
Yes.
I'm not like, more my girl there,
Yeah.
to be honest. But I don't bun dog because I see people just come out, a laugh, a smile. Even kids. It's like, that's the energy, bro. Like, I'm not drinking alcohol since my day, you see me? And normally, I'm a roommate, you see me? But I'm there on the work. So, but that's the vibe, the energy, even without drinking, bro, and the happiness and the smiles. I wish people would have that same energy for every party, bro.
Yeah,
It's a vibe, dog. It's definitely
Absolutely.
a vibe. Yeah, man, you. So, is it bun? It's like a small bullet cake, dog. It's not. It can't mess up a relationship.
Yeah.
Enough to mess up a relationship.
Because that one wine, enough to bring it home.
Yeah. And then, you're not even gonna ask her name. The music's so loud, you whine and you're gone back in your yard, bro.
Dean, big up yourself, my boss.
Big up, bro.
Have fun, get your content.
For the YouTube, Dane _ visuals. I'm gonna do the one plug there.
Respect, my G.
Bless up.
All right. We're out.
No, you only live life once, right? You got to do it right. So it is what it is.
See it there, YOLO. You only live it one time. You have to do it right.
Yep.
Thank you so very much.
Hey, girl, why by which man? Yeah?
Wait. Yo. Blessings. Yo, people them, please make sure to send a vote for me for fan favorite for Social House. All right, so give them the link. May I beg you, please. Eh? You want to bust a wine pan somebody quick and fast? See it there?
Come on, pan him, sus.
Oh my God, of course, sure.
No, my woman right there say,
If I can even whine.
My woman right there say,
I'm very bad at whining, so it's okay. It doesn't even count.
Hold on there. Let me jump up there. Let me jump up there real quick and fast. Baby, I'm sorry. Jamaica Carnival 2023, we're out here, live life. Thank you so very much. So people, we're out here Jamaica Carnival 2023. It has been a vibe, and as you can see, the sun has gone down and it is time to go home. So I'm glad for the people there who has contributed to this video. Big up on the damn self. We're out, and remember, vote for me for fan favorite on social hosts this year season, for the second season. Jamaica Carnival 2023. See you next year. But in the meantime, let's see what carnivals I can pop up at in this year. We're out.